Welcome to our exploration of the Book of Hebrews, a fascinating text that offers profound insights into the Christian faith. The Book of Hebrews doesn't start like a traditional letter. There's no greeting or introduction, which keeps its author a mystery. Some suggest Paul, others propose Barnabas or Apollos, but what truly matters is the message. Hebrews is written to a community facing persecution, urging them to hold firm to their faith. Central to Hebrews is the theme of Jesus as the ultimate high priest. Unlike the priests in the Old Testament who made regular sacrifices, Jesus offers himself as a perfect sacrifice, once and for all, granting believers direct access to God. This revolutionary idea is encapsulated in Hebrews 10:12, which states, "But when this priest had offered for all time one sacrifice for sins, he sat down at the right hand of God." Hebrews chapter 11, often dubbed the Faith Hall of Fame, highlights key figures like Abraham, Moses, and Noah, illustrating their strong faith despite uncertainties. This chapter, especially verse 1, tells us, "Now faith is confidence in what we hope for and assurance about what we do not see." Hebrews also emphasizes perseverance. The readers are reminded to run with perseverance the race marked out for us. Hebrews 12:1. This encourages believers not to be disheartened by trials, viewing them as disciplines from a loving Father, aimed at fostering growth and holiness. Finally, Hebrews speaks to the heart with its call for community and support among believers. Hebrews 10:24 through 25 highlights the importance of gathering together, saying, "And let us consider how we may spur one another on toward love and good deeds, not giving up meeting together, as some are in the habit of doing, but encouraging one another." This multifaceted text blends deep theological insights with practical advice, making it essential for anyone curious about Christianity's core beliefs.